Welcome to Uros, the world's oldest floating man-made community.
Back in the 1450s, the Uros were a gentle people that lived in modern-day Puno, which is located in the southeast corner of Peru on the border of Bolivia.
But around that time, an invading Incan empire came to threaten them. Instead of fighting, they decided to flee into Lake Titicaca, and over the decades, the Uros people learned to live off fish, seabirds, and reeds, and it was those reeds that would lead to their unique survival. Over the decades, they went from living in boat communities to living on the reeds. When these reeds are stacked 1 meter thick on top of each other, they provide enough buoyancy for an entire community. And because they're still living things, roots continue to grow and they get more fortified and stronger and can hold up more weight over time. After being built, these reed island communities last for about 35 years before they need to make a new one. Living on these reeds can provide many challenges though, for instance, cooking and providing light for their homes. First step when cooking, they have to gather rocks from all around and pile them several thick before they even begin. While they were very careful, accidents sometimes did occur. So in 1996, the president actually came and visited these villages, discovered their problem and potential for fire hazard, and actually, using the government's money, installed solar panels on their properties. The Uros here are incredibly reliant on these reeds. They use them in every aspect of their life. They use them for the land they live on, to construct their homes, to construct boats, and even for eating. How fascinating are these people's lives? Could you imagine just living on a floating reed island for your entire life? But thanks to modern technology like motorboats and solar panels, they're able to live much better quality of life. But overall, what do you think? Do you think you could actually live on one of these islands for even a week? Let me know.
Well, I took a knee for like a minute and my knee was soaked, so.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, well don't take a knee.